Okay, so pushing and popping things out of the stack won't even make sense if we cannot do some operations with them. So the VM language allows us to do some basic operations as adding, doing negative, doing equals, or not, subtracting. So what we're gonna do is that we have the values or the value, the arguments in this stack, and what happens is when we do the function, it pops, it takes out the arguments of the stack, it computes the function. In this case it's an add, so it's gonna add them, and then it pushes it back into the stack. So take out the arguments, do the operation, and then push it back to the stack. And the same with the next operation. In this case it's only one argument, and we pop it, we compute it, and we push it back. And the same thing is gonna happen with the logic gates that we have here. And as I was saying later, we have some different memory segments in the stack that allow us to save some data. In this case, we have argument, local, static, and constant segments that are gonna be variables in a normal high-level program. These memory segments are located on specific parts of the stack, and that's the reason why we have like local 0, we can have constant 3, we have static 2, argument 2. So an example of how to manipulate it is clearly like to move something from one memory segment to other memory segment. And the way we're going to do that is pushing and popping sticks to the stack. So right now we have like the code here in high level language. It's gonna be let static 2 be equals to argument 1. So what we're gonna do is push argument 1 and pop static 2. What's gonna happen right here is that we have argument 1. Argument 1 is 12. When we push it, we're gonna put 12 to the stack just like that. Oh, sorry, here. Just like that. We're gonna push 12 to the stack. And then when we have 12 to the stack, we're gonna pop it. So we're gonna take out 12 to the stack and we're gonna pop it to the static segment and in the position 2. So what's gonna happen is that this 12 we have right here is gonna go to here. And as we see in this result, the 12 that was in the stack, it then goes to here. So that's how you manipulate like different values between memory segments using the stack.